Day 9 of the HST 2025 program commenced at the CERN Data Centre. Our first presenter was Hannah Short, who was the section leader for Identity and Access Management. Hannah outlined her journey with CERN, which began in 2007 with a high school trip, and then in 2015 where she joined the computer security team as a graduate, and now in 2025 where she leads a 9-person team that runs some of the most critical IT systems for CERN. Hannah provided a brief history of the computing at CERN. She explained the daily operations of the IT department, and then presented some of the born-bred technologies from IT at CERN. The worldwide LHC computing grid is a global collaboration of computing centres that provides the necessary infrastructure to store, distribute and analyse the vast amounts of data produced by CERN's Large Hadron Collider. It's a distributed computing network, not a single physical location, comprising of 170 centres in 42 countries.
Hello everyone, my name is Kun Kun. I'm from Indonesia. I really enjoy living and working, studying in CERN. So better you go with us. Maybe next year, maybe next 5 years. Thank you.
Jeff Vina presented a mystery box workshop. Participants were handed a 3D printed and sealed mystery box that contained a ball bearing, and the objective of the program was to determine what was the structure of the unknown mystery box. After initial inspection, each group predicted the structure of the mystery box. Following each round of predictions, additional resources were made available to each group, such as magnets and lights. It was a simple yet effective means of modelling the scientific investigation of an unknown structure. The day concluded with a captivating presentation by Professor Manjit Dosanjh, who's a former senior advisor for the medical applications at CERN and now a visiting professor at the University of Oxford, as well as the project leader for Stellar, the smart technologies to extend lives with linear accelerators. Dr. Dosanjh presented a history of how particle accelerators have been used in the imaging and treatment of various cancers, as well as cutting-edge technology such as FLASH, which is a new way of delivering radiotherapy for treating cancers.